Good morning, Kalispell Chamber members. My goodness, it seems like 2021 has charged out of the gates with positivity and speed. Everyone I'm speaking with are anticipating great things ahead in 2021, while remaining cautiously optimistic as the vaccine rolls out, business opens up, and we're starting to see a return of consumer confidence. I want to start today by congratulating three of the Chamber's key partners: Montana West Economic Development, the City of Kalispell, and the former Eagle Transit, now called the Mountain Climber. Last week, Jerry Meerkatz of MWED was able to announce that all three former CHS sites in the core and on the Parkline Trail are under contract. We're even seeing the dirt turn and the silos get prepped for their new future. They will remain down on Center and west of 93. 10 years in the making, thanks to the vision and hard planning work of the City of Kalispell and all the partners, it's coming to life. We're at a monumental place in completing the first phase of this redevelopment of our central core in downtown. These catalytic redevelopment sites are going to create vibrancy and incentives for smaller development and redevelopment to begin along the trail. The city's in the process of putting the project out to bid to remove the tracks and start the park line as we speak, and we'll see the work underway this spring. This 10-year vision will transform our core into a vibrant 18-hour, walkable, and exciting place to live, work, and play in our city. It will ultimately be a significant in keeping our young professionals that grow up right here for jobs of the future and attract young, innovative entrepreneurs. It will be an amazing amenity for our visitors and tourists, and therefore be a huge catalyst for small business to grow and thrive. This is not a time to slow down, and the Chamber continues to look forward to working together to move into Phase 2 and keep the planning and momentum going strong. Also, a huge shout out to Eagle Transit and their rebranding to the Mountain Climber. If you haven't seen their fleet out and about yet on the roads, keep a close eye out. The colors and the images truly represent the amazing opportunities that exist again to live, work, and play in Kalispell and the Flathead. They are telling our community story in such a meaningful, updated, and dynamic way. Good things are happening. I see no end in sight. Until next week, stay well, stay healthy, and have a productive week.